парке развлечений покупка билетов через приложение Оплати становится...
At amusement parks, buying ticket through the Oplati app is easier and more convenient than ever. No lines, no paper tickets. Just open the app and scan the QR code. Then choose your ride, tap a few minutes, and your ticket is ready. No ticket booth nearby. No worries. Just open the app, go to Buy, then Parks and Outdoor Fun. Select the nearest park and the attraction you want. And pay in just a few taps. Done! Your ticket will show up in the tickets section of the app. That's exactly what you will show at the entrance. Let the fun begin!
Навстречу эмоциям.